What's up, guys? Welcome to the Integrated Productivity Systems Infinity Label Group Print Lab. Today we got our Epson C6500A color inkjet printer, which we're excited to unbox and get set up in our lab. So Pete's going to walk you through the unboxing, and then he's going to make a few videos after the fact on how it prints, quality, speed, all that good stuff. So hopefully you enjoy. We've never opened it before, so we'll see what Pete can do. Thanks.
Okay guys, so here we have our brand new C6500A printer in the box. Up top we have 4 CMYK ink cartridges, and we have our Epson C6500 maintenance box. The printer typically comes with these things, so I probably won't need these right away, but it's always good to stock up. Go to infinitylabelgroup.com and get yours now. Okay, so right off the bat, it looks like we've got our software installation disc and user guides. We've got our USB cable for direct connection to the printer. And we have our AC power cable. Over on the other side of the box, we have our CMYK ink cartridges. Looks like Epson also sent us a roll of labels. These look like 4.5 by 6 black mark and gap labels. There's our printer, guys. Yours probably has a little more tape on it than this one, but I took some off just for the presentation. I'm gonna go ahead and move this up onto the table, and then we'll continue the video. So first things first, guys, there's some more tape all over the printer. Go ahead and get rid of that. Make sure that you remove the foam guard that's in here that protects the print head during shipment. And there's another one that's gonna be in the back on the core holder. You're gonna wanna get rid of that too. Once you've gotten all the tape off your printer, we're going to go ahead and plug in our power cord. I'm sure you can probably figure this one out, but our AC power cable is going to go right here. Once you're sure that's snug, you straighten your printer back out. Let's get it turned on. Now your printer should go into initialization mode. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll cut the video here and come back when it's done. Once that initialization is completed, we're going to take our CMYK ink cartridges that came with the printer, and we're going to go ahead and install it. On the 6500, we have an ink door here and an ink door here. All we're going to do, much like our other printers, just push the ink in until it clicks. Close those up, and the printer will charge the ink. To load our media into this printer, all we have to do is open one of these latches. That's right, I said one of them. You can either open it from the back or from the front. From here, it's as simple as taking the spool out of the printer, removing your shield, and putting your labels on. The only thing you have to make sure is that your labels are facing the right direction. Put those on the spool, replace your shield, and just slide the spool back in. Now you'll just have to find the leading edge of your label, take it out, slide it between the media guides, keeping it as tight to the outer guide as possible. And once the printer has accepted the labels, you're going to close these guides and close your latch. That's all there is to it, guys. I've already run a firmware update in ours just to see how easy it is. I'm going to make a video on it later, but let me tell you, it is very, very simple to do over a network, and I'm very excited to use this printer. As always, guys, you can go to infinitylabelgroup.com to get any ink, labels, or supplies you might need. You can order one of these printers, and we already have all of the related products uploaded on the site. If you want more information, go to ipsiscan.com, contact us today. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. This has been Pete. I'll see you next time.